The Oppo Find X9 is coming. Is it a smartphone or a pro camera? Nobody knows. Oppo is gearing up to drop the Find X9 Ultra in early 2026, and it's going to be a game changer for mobile photography. This is why people are talking about it. It has a 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel periscope camera, plus 50 megapixel ultra wide, which should give it insane power. You get a Hasselblad Photography Kit, which is rumored to come out. Could include snap-on lenses, pro accessories, just like Vivo's Zeiss kit. You get a MagSafe-style magnetic system for Android, plus 50 VOOC, AirVOOC wireless charging, which is sleek, fast, and futuristic. You get an expected 7000 mAh battery with a 6.82-inch 2K plus OLED screen with MediaTek Dimensity, yet to be launched 9500 chipset. Oppo's partnership with Hasselblad is going to take it to the next level, blending AI bokeh magic with Hasselblad's legendary color tuning. This could make the Find X9 Ultra a very true rival to the upcoming Vivo's X300 Ultra and Xiaomi 16 Ultra. The official reveal is tipped for Q1 2026, but if the leaks are true, we are going to see a whole new era of flagship camera phone. Would you buy a phone with pro camera accessories or just stick to an DSLR? Please comment below.